continuation. If 5 tan alpha equal to 4, then 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha equal to dash, dashes. What is tan alpha given? Options. First option A, 2 by 7. Second option B, 1 by 6. Third option C, 4 by 7. Fourth option D, 5 by 7. So first of all, we observe what is given, what is first of all given 5 tan alpha equal to 4. So we find out tan alpha equal to 4 by 5, that is, and given problem 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha. So given tan alpha 5 by 4, 4 by 5 in terms of sin and cos. So sin cos, this term is also converted into tan alpha. So tan means sin by cos. Here cos alpha common, remaining 5 sin alpha, here no cos alpha, so write your denominator cos alpha. After minus 3 cos alpha common here, so denominator same, cos alpha common, remaining 5 sin alpha by cos alpha plus 2 cos alpha. So here no cos alpha, write cos alpha denominator, here cos alpha common. So cos cancel, that is 5 sin by cos, that means tan alpha minus 3 by 5 tan alpha plus 2. So 5 into, we know that tan alpha value 4 by 5 substitution minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. So 5 cancel, here 5 cancel, 4 minus 3 mean 1, 4 plus 2 6, 1 by 6. So B is the correct answer, So once again, if 5 tan alpha equal to 4, then 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha. Here observe tan alpha given, but here sin and cos terms. So these terms is also converted into tan alpha. So given options A, B, C, D. First given 5 tan alpha equal 4, tan alpha equal 4 by 5. So this term, the 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha common, because of sin by cos, sin here by cos common, 5 into sin alpha by cos alpha minus 3, cos alpha common. Next denominator, same method, cos alpha common, 5 into sin alpha by cos alpha plus 2, cos alpha cancellation, 5 into sin by cos tan alpha minus 3 by 5 into sin by cos alpha same tan alpha plus 2. So 5 into, we know that tan alpha 4 by 5 substitution here, 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into tan alpha 4 by 5 plus 2, 5 cancel, 5 cancel, we get 4 minus 3 equal to 1, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Here B is the answer. B is the answer. That's all. Next problem. In a triangle ABC, sin of B plus C by 2, equal to dash. Given answers A, cos of a by 2, cos of a by 2. Next B answer, sin of a by 2, sin of a by 2. Next third answer, cos of b plus c by 2, b plus c by 2. Third option. Next fourth option D, none. Fourth option, none. So we observe that in a triangle ABC, mean sum of three angles in a triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equal to 180. We know that in previous classes. So A plus B equal to 180. Here B plus C. So take B plus C equal to 180 minus A plus A change minus. So B plus C by 2, right? B plus C by 2 here. 180 minus A by 2, 2 is division on both sides. B plus C by 2 equal to 2 is 180 by 2 and also minus A by 2. 2 ones, 2 90s cancelled. So take sine function. Sine of B plus C by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. That is, we know already 90 change. 90 change. Sine will be change cos. Previous class I told. A by 2. 90 minus first coordinate all plus. So our answer is cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 here, A is the answer. Once again, in a triangle ABC, sin of B plus C by 2 equal to dash. Given options A cos A by 2, B sin A by 2, C cos B plus C by 2, D none. But in a triangle already given, in a triangle we know that in previous classes sum of three angles A plus B plus C equal to 180, 180. So here B plus C given, so B plus C take 180 plus A change minus A, B plus C by 2 division on both sides with 2, B plus C by 2 equal to 180 minus A by 2, B plus C by 2 equal to 2 ones, 2 is become 180 and A, so separated split 180 by 2 minus A by 2, 2 ones, 2 nines. So here sine, so you take say a sine function on both sides. Sine of B plus C by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. 90 already told change. 90 to 70 change already told in previous classes. So 90 to 70 change 90. Sine will be change cos. Cos will be change sine. So sine cos of A by 2. Cos A by 2 here. Cos of A by 2. That's all. Another problem, very important. If sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B, sine of A plus B equal to 1 by root 2 and cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Then angle B equal to, then angle B equal to dash. So first of all, options A, first option A, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Second option B, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Third option C, 30 degrees. Fourth option D, 0 degrees. I am already told this model problem, but very important model. Another model problem also here. A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Next, cos of A minus B by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. So here sin of A plus B, sin in sine function 1 by root 2 is equal to sin of 45. We know that already told sine function values. So both sides sine remove and we get A plus B equal to 45. Next same method, cos of A minus B equal to, in cos table we get 1 by root 2 cos 45, cos 45. So A minus B equal to 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees. So solve both them. A plus B equal to 45. A minus B equal to 45. So plus B minus B cancel. Here a mean 1a, here also a mean 1a. 1a plus 1a, 2a equal to 45, 45, 90. 45, 45, 90. So a equal to 90, multiplication in converted into denominator and division. 2 ones, 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1, that means 2 5 ja 10. So a equal to 45 degrees. But we know that a plus b equal to 45. A 45 plus b equal to 45. B equal to 45 plus 45 change minus 45. B equal to 45 minus 45, 0. So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Once again, if a sin of a plus b equal to 1 by root 2 and cos of a minus b equal to 1 by root 2, then angle B equal dash. So A 60 degrees, B 45 degrees, C 30 degrees, D 0 degrees. But here given sin of A plus B equal to 1 by root 2. Sin of A plus B in sin table, we know that sin 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 write sin 45. Both sides sin function remove. We get A plus B equal to 45. Same way, cos of A minus B equal to 1 by root 2. Cos of A minus B equal to cos 45. Cos 45 become value equal to 1 by root 2. Both side cos function remove and we get A minus B equal to 45. So now A plus B equal to 45, A minus B 45. So the two functions are solved. A plus two equations, A plus B equal to 45, A minus B equal to 45. Plus B minus B cancellation. 1a, a no factor, that is 1, 1a, 1a. 1a plus 1a, 2a equal to 45, 45, 90. A equal to 90 by 2. Multiplication change division. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1 0, that means 10, 2 5 ja 10. So we get A equal to 45 degrees. So another we know that equation A plus B equal to 45. A 45 already we get, plus B equal to 45. B equal to 45 plus 45 will be changed minus 45. 45 45 cancel. So we get 0B. So angle B equal to 0. That is the one of the most important problem. So another important problem next. If sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a, 3 sin square a cos square a equal to dash. This is an important problem model. A, first option 1, second option B -1, third option C 0, fourth option D 2. So sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square equal to how much? 1 -1 0 2 అని. Given sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. So we convert sin power 6 and cos power 6 in terms of square terms. So sin square a whole cubed plus cos square a whole cubed. Because of we know that sin square a plus cos square a 1. So that formula used by converted 6 2 into 3 plus 3 sin square a into cos square a. After this one assume a, this term is b. So a cubed plus b cubed, a cubed plus b cubed. A cubed plus b cubed formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We know that a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So substitution this formula. A means sin square a means sin square a plus cos square a. Cos square a, sin square a into a square means sin square a whole square minus ab sin square a into cos square a plus b square cos square a whole square. That's all. Next of all, remaining 3 sin square a and cos square a also. We know that sin square a and cos square a value 1 in previous class 1, leave it. Here also same a, here also assume b, a square plus b square, and also a square plus b square also a plus b whole square minus 2ab formula. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here a square mean a sin square a plus b mean cos square a whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a means sin square a and b mean cos square a. Next of all, remainder 3 sin square a, 3 sin square a cos square a. That is here 1 into 1, leave it. Sin square a plus cos square a, we know that 1 minus 1 square, 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. Next 1, 3 minus 2 mean that 1 sin square a cos square a. That is, so we get answer sin power 6 and cos power 6, sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. A sin square a, right, sin square a whole cubed, b cos square b a whole cubed, 3 sin square a cos square a. Next, a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a cubed. Okay. Next, a plus b, a means sin square a, b mean cos square a into a square means sin square a whole square minus ab means sin square a cos square a plus b square mean cos square a whole square, cos square a whole square plus last term reminder 3 sin square a cos square a. Sin square a cos square a, we know that already one value into sin square a whole square. Sin square a mean a square plus b square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. So a mean sin square a, b mean cos square a, minus 2ab minus 2 sin square a cos square a. Next here remainder minus sin square a, here minus sin square a minus sin square a cos square a, remainder 3 sin square a, 3 sin square a cos square a. Next, 1 leave it. Sin square a plus cos square a value we know that already 1. 1 square mean 1 minus here 3 sin square 2 sin square a cos square a minus 1 sin square a, 3 2 1 total 3 3 sin square a cos square a, remainder 3 sin square a cos square a, minus 2 plus cancel, we get answer 1, that is 1 is the answer. First 1 mean a is the answer. Once again, sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a equal to dash. The given options a1, b minus 1, c 0, d 2. First given sin power 6 plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. We know already sin square formula and cos square formula. So 6 is converted into 2 and 3. So sin square a whole cubed and cos square a whole cubed plus 3 sin square a cos square a. So assume sin square a equal to a, cos square a b. So a cubed plus b cubed, just like problem, algebra formula. A cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the algebraic formula. So apply this formula in here. A means sin square a plus b mean cos square a into a square sin square a whole square minus ab. A mean sin square a, b mean cos square a plus b mean cos square a whole square. After remainder 3 sin square a cos square a. We know already formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Same sin square a plus cos square equal to 1 into sin square a whole square. So here a square, here b square. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A means sin square a plus b means cos square a whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a means sin square a, b means cos square a. Remainder minus sin square a cos square a and 3 sin square a cos square a. Next, we know already this also formula sin square a plus cos square a 1. 1 square mean 1 minus here 2 sin square a cos square a, here sin square a cos square a. 2 here no value, that mean 1 assume. So 1 2 1 same symbol, add 2 1 3 minus 3 sin square a cos square a, that's all. So plus the remainder 3 sin square a cos square a, 1 minus 3 sin square a cos square a and plus 3 sin square a cos square a. Both are equal plus symbol change minus cancellation, we get 0. 1 plus 0 mean 1. So 1 is the answer, that means A is the answer. This is also important model. Note this, A plus B equal to 45 degrees and 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B to 1 plus tan B equal to dash. Most important model, 1 plus tan B equal to dash. So first option A, 2, second option B 1, third option C 0, fourth option D -1. So very easy model. First given A plus B equal to 45. So we take tan on both sides because of the function, find out function 1 plus tan A and 1 plus tan B. So take tan on both sides. Tan of A plus B equal to tan 45. Tan A plus B formula we know that tan A plus tan B by tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That is tan 45 value no 1. So this one and cross multiplication, both are cross multiplication. So tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A. So take tan function on one side, tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B equal to 1. So 1 is here common function, there is no common, but 1 is adding on both sides. 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A plus tan B equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 is adding on both sides. 1 is adding on both sides. So here 1 plus tan A take, and also here common tan B. Tan B common. Tan B into remaining here tan B common, there is no value, that means 1. 1 plus tan B common, remainder tan A equal to 1 plus 1 2. So here bracket take 1. 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A common. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, that is 2. That is 2. So our answer is 2. So A plus B equal to 45. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to a dash. The given options A 2, B 1, C 0, D -1. So first of all take A plus B given 45. We take also tan function because of here find out value tan in terms of tan. So tan of A plus B equal to tan 45. Tan A plus B formula tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equal to tan 45 1. So cross multiplication we do tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B equal to tan A plus tan B minus tan A tan B change plus tan A tan B equal to 1. So we take tan functions on our left side and right side 1, no constant numbers. But here there is no common factor, 1 is adding on both sides for common. 1 plus tan A plus tan B, tan A tan B equal to 1 plus 1. 1 is adding on both sides for common factors. So 1 plus tan A, here tan B common. Tan B common, there is no value, that means 1 plus tan B common, remainder tan A equal to 1 plus 1 2. So 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A common factor. take 1 plus tan A common and remainder 1 plus tan B equal to. So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. That is the 2 is the answer. That is another important problem. 2 into sin power 6a sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1 equal to dash. So option, first option 2, second option B -3, third option C 1, fourth option D 0. So we get yes, very simple shortcut formula. We get 2 minus 3 plus 1 equal to only coefficients 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. We get 0 answer is a shortcut method. That D is the correct. Verify and check. So 2 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1. Already we know 0 answer. Just to verify. 2 into this sin power 6x and cos power 6 in previous problem told same conversion. Sin square x whole cubed plus cos square x whole cubed. Because of we know sin square x plus cos square x 1. So sin square of cubed, not sin cubed of square. So a cubed minus 3 into here also same sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square plus 1. So 2 into A, this one assume that A, this one assume that B. A cubed plus B cubed. We know already formula A cubed plus B cubed. A cubed plus B cubed equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Next and also same, this one is also A, this one also B. A square plus B square formula, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. These two formulas used in this problem. So 2 into A means sin square x, A means sin square x plus B means cos square x into A square means sin square x whole square minus AB means sin square x, B mean cos square x, B square mean cos square x whole square, Next, minus 3 into A square plus B square, A plus B whole square, sin square x plus cos square x whole square, A plus B whole square minus 2 into A mean sin square x, A means sin square x, B mean cos square x also. Next remainder plus 1. Next 2 into A, we know already sin square x plus cos square x 1 no, 1 leave it also. So this one is also same value, this one is also same. So A square plus B square, A plus B whole square, A plus B mean here sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2AB 2 sin square x cos square x. The remainder minus sin square x and cos square x also. Next minus 3 into, we know already this value 1. 1 square mean 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. 2 sin square x cos square x plus 1 remainder. So after 2 into this one is also same 1 square mean 1 no, 1 leave it minus 2 here 1 that mean 1 minus 2 minus 1 that mean 3 1 minus 3 sin square x 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x also. Next minus multiplication minus 3 minus plus plus 6 sin square x cos square x plus 1 Next, same multiplication, 2 1 ja 2, minus 2 3 ja 6, sin square x, cos square x, and also minus 3 minus 1, that means minus 2, plus 6 sin square x, cos square x. So minus 6x square plus 6x square cancel. 2 minus 2 is also 0. So we get answer 0. I am already told shortcut formula 0, we get answer here same. So once again repeat, 2 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1 equal to dash. So the given options A 2, B minus 3, C 1, D 0. So in there we use shortcut formula 2 into, this one is also like 1, 2 1 minus 3, only constant terms take, 2 minus 3 plus 1, 2 minus 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 we know 0. So answer is 0, within seconds we get answer. But theoretical or proof, 2 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1. 2 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6 sin square x whole cubed and cos square x whole cubed minus 3 into, this one is also same, sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square plus 1. So sin square x take A, cos square x take B, A plus B, that means A cubed plus B cubed. We know already this formula, A cubed plus B cubed equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Next, here also same, A sin square x we take A, cos square x take B. A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So this formula used in here. 2 into A plus B, A mean sin square x plus B mean cos square x into A square means sin square x whole square minus A mean sin square x, B mean cos square x plus B square mean cos square x whole square minus 3, right? Here also same, A square plus B square formula, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A means sin square x plus B mean cos square x whole square minus 2 into A means sin square x, B mean cos square x plus 1. So just algebraic multiplication and simplification. 2 into sin square x plus cos square x, already know that 1. So 1 leave it, no problem. Sin square x, here also A square plus B square, A square plus B square, A plus B whole square. A means sin square x plus B mean cos square x whole square minus 2AB, 2 into A means sin square x, B mean cos square x minus 1 sin square x cos square x minus 3 into sin square x plus cos square x, we know 1 square mean 1 minus 2 into sin square x plus cos square x plus 1. Next 2 into 1 leave it, sin square x plus cos square x 1 square mean 1 minus 2 1 3, same symbol add, minus 3 sin square x cos square x, here also minus 3 1 ja 3, minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 2 ja 6 sin square x cos square x plus 1. And also here multiplication, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 sin square x cos square x. Next minus 3 plus 1, that means minus 2, remainder 6 sin square x and cos square x. So both are equal and we are opposite symbols cancellation, we get 0. Minus 6x square 6x square, 2 minus 2, all are cancelled, we get